I'm Shruti and welcome back to my YouTube channel Trading Ideas. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you few stock analysis for the coming week. So if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So taking you to the chart, the first stock I have selected is the Reliance. So I have little bit zoom out the Reliance and I have taken the Reliance future chart 15-minute time frame and the losses for future Reliance is 505. So I have not drawn any of the trend line or support and resistance line. We will draw it together. First I will zoom out so that it will be easy for us to identify the trend and support and resistance where it can be drawn. First I will take a horizontal line. From here I can pick the horizontal line. First I will draw a resistance here. Here you can see this level is not immediate break. You can see in previous sessions also, in previous trading sessions also, this resistance was not broken yet. So you can see here somewhat cup and handle pattern is formed. Let me draw it here. I will select brush. Color you can choose as per your preference. So I will take this color. So this is the cup and this one is handle. So it is very close to our resistance now. And if this Reliance is able to break our resistance, then the price will jump. It will take a good move from here. Once this pattern is broke and our resistance level is crossed, you can buy Reliance in the range of 16172 to 1620. For intraday players, you can keep the target as 1%, and for swing traders, you can keep the target from 2 to 3% with stop loss of 1%. For intraday players, keep target of 1%, later you can keep on trailing stop loss, but buy it in the range of 1617 or 1618 to 1620 only. So this was the first stock I have chosen. For swing traders, I prefer 1 hour chart, and for intraday trading, I prefer 15-minute chart. And you can see the same pattern is formed in 1 hour chart as well. This one is the cup and the second one is the handle. So once this pattern and the resistance line is broken, you can go for a long side. So moving to the second stock. The second stock is Axis Bank. Axis Bank future, the losses for Axis Bank is 1200. You can take time frame as 15 minutes for intraday and 1 hour for swing trading. So first we will draw support and resistance line for Axis Bank. So here you can see I can draw a resistance level here at this high, because this high is not yet broken in the past trading sessions. So I have drawn one resistance line, and here you can same for low. I can draw here one resistance line, another. So you can just backtest once you have drawn support or resistance line. This is the support line. Once you have drawn the support or resistance line, you can just check the previous sessions whether it has taken the support of a line. So you can see Here it has taken the support of horizontal line and it reversed from this support area. Same way it has taken the support here also, and in earlier sessions also you can see here it has given a breakdown, and after trading downward it again given a breakout. So same way this was for the high and low. So let us try drawing somewhere in the middle. So here I can draw another resistance line. Our last close price is 408.65. So the lines I have drawn above it is the resistance line, while the lines I have drawn below it are the support levels. Here is the another support line. This one. So as with the last closes 408.65, and these are a support and resistance level. So now the very close support and resistance of the last close prices, the support is 403 and resistance is around 413. 403 is the support. So if Axis Bank is able to break 403, and you can buy it around 4142, 415, and once it is able to break this level, then the above resistance levels can be made. Same way, if Axis Bank is able to break 403 level, then it may come down till 380. So the next stock I have selected is the Bajaj Finance. I have taken a 15-minute chart and the time frame, and the lot size for Bajaj Finance is 250. So let's check for in the previous session how it was been trading in the previous days. So you can see here before June, before the beginning of June, you can see the Bajaj Finance was trading below 2000, and within a week it has given a very good movement. It has crossed around up to 500 points. Within a week it has moved 500 points. So this is the high price as of now for Bajaj Finance. So I will draw one resistance level here because this level is not yet broken. So I will draw one resistance here. Same way, one support I will draw it here. Okay. So one more support can be drawn here. This is the resistance support. Here I have drawn resistance level. This is the support. So these are the various. Okay. So these are the support and resistance level. So here you can see the last close prices 2453, the last close of Bajaj Finance. So the very close support and resistance level are 2465. This is the resistance, and support is 2443, around 2443. So you can go long on Bajaj Finance above 2470. You can buy around this level. About this high price, 2473.95 is the high price. So you can buy above this level with the target of 1% and stop loss of 0.6% for intraday. For swing traders, you can go with the target of 2 to 3% and stop loss of 1%. And you can short Bajaj Finance if it's sustained below 2440. If it is able to break this 2440 and it is sustained below this level, then you can go short on Bajaj Finance. So this was the levels for Bajaj Finance. You can same check it for 1 hour chart for swing traders, and what we can see is the support and resistance line. It has taken the support here. It has exactly reversed from our resistance level. It has taken the support here. So our drawn support and resistance level have worked properly. So you can see it has taken the support. Here it has given a breakdown and later on it reversed and started moving upward as per our drawn support and resistance. Here also it has taken its support here. Here it has given a breakout. So this was for swing traders, the 1 hour time frame. For intraday, they will use 15-minute chart. And result is the same. The support and resistance level are same for both. Only you have to work above levels given. So keep watch on this stock in for tomorrow, and in the coming next session, in the next video, I will be coming up with a playlist for beginners who don't know ABCD of stock market, who are totally new in market, who doesn't know how to invest, what is the share market, and what is the capital required, and in which segment they have to trade. Basically, who don't know even the candlestick pattern, how to trade upon it, I will come up with all this basic to advanced things in the playlist that will be posted on Thursday. So if you like our video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So if you have any query related to any stock, you can drop them in the comment section. I will reply them very soon. So that's all for today. Thank you.